Now students, today we are going to discuss 5 and 6 digit numbers. In the previous classes we discussed about 3 digit numbers and 4 digit numbers. So once we recapitulate 3 digit numbers and 4 digit numbers, then after that we move for 5 digit numbers and 6 digit numbers. Then see here, first 3 digit numbers, first, second and third. This is 3 digit number, and the second, first, second, third and fourth. This is 4 digit number. So what is the place value of this? This is ones, this is tens, this is hundreds. These are the place values, 3 digit number, and this is 4 digit number. In 4 digit number, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, and this is thousand place. So this is the 3 digit number and this is the 4 digit number. Suppose, for example, 3 till 4. This is our 3 digit number. 7, 5, 8, 9. This is our 4 digit number. 3 digit number and 4 digit numbers. These two numbers we discussed in our previous classes. That in third class we discussed. Then how to read this number and how to compare the number and how to arrange ascending order and descending order. All these things we discussed in our previous class. Now in this class we are going to discuss about 5 and 6 digit numbers. In this 3 digit number we discuss about the smaller number and the bigger number, and in 4 digit also we discuss about smaller number and bigger number. In single digit also we discussed about smaller and bigger, and 2 digit also we discussed about smaller and bigger. Now again we recapitulate what we discussed in our previous class, in third class. Again, this is first digit, single digit. Two digit, 3 digit, then 4 digit. In these numbers, here smaller, bigger. This is the bigger number we discuss in single digit and 2 digits and 3 digits and 4 digit. In a single digit, 0 is the smaller number and 9 is the bigger number. In double digit number, 10 is the smaller number and 99 is the bigger number. 99 is the bigger number. In 3 digit number, 100 is the smaller number and smallest number is 100, and biggest or largest number is 999. In 4 digit number, 1000 is the smaller number and 9999, this is the bigger number. So here what we observe here, in a single digit number, this is the bigger number. Here single digit smaller number is 0 and bigger number is 9, and 2 digit smaller number is 10 and bigger number is 99, and 3 digit smaller number is 100 and bigger number is 999, and 4 digit smaller number is 1000 and bigger number is 9999. In this what we observe here, this is the bigger number, this is a 2 digit smaller number. If we add 1 to bigger number, single digit bigger number, then we will get a smaller number, smaller 2 digit number. And in the same way, if we add plus 1 to 2 digit bigger number, then we will get 3 digit smaller number. And in the same way, if we add plus 1 to 3 digit greater number, then we get 4 digit smaller number. In the same way, again we are going to start 5 digits and 6-digit numbers. Then what is the procedure here? See here. First 5-digit smaller number. In the same way, here 1000 is the 4-digit smaller number, and 5-digit smaller number we call it as 10,000. If we add 1 to 9,999, then we will get 10,000. That is 5-digit smaller number. Next, 5-digit bigger number, that means larger number, that is 99,999. This is the 5-digit. These two are the 5 digits smaller number and larger number. In the same way, 6-digit smaller number, 1 lakh. We call it as 1 lakh. So how we will get this? If we add 1 to 99,999, then we will get 6-digit smaller number. In the same way, 6-digit larger number, 9,99,999. So this is the way to find the smaller and larger, that is bigger number. Smaller numbers and bigger numbers, smaller numbers, bigger numbers, smaller number, bigger number. In single digit, 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit and 6 digits. These are the smaller and bigger numbers. Now, so we have to check, we have to say about the 2-digit, about 5 digits and 6 digits numbers. First, this is a chart. This is first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, and first till fifth. Listen here. This is ones place. This is tens place. This is hundreds place. This is thousands place. This is 10,000. 10,000s place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Take one numeric like 2, 5, 3, 9, 7. This is 5-digit number. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Total 5 digits. In these 5 digits, so starting 3 digits, these are called one spirit. This is called one spirit. So after the 2 places, after one spirit, the 2 periods, that is called 1000 spirit. These are first starting from right to left, 1, 2 and 3. That means ones, tens, hundreds. These 3 places we consider as one spirit. And after that, after 3 places, 4th and 5th means 1000 and 10,000. This is called 1000 spirit. Then how can we read this if 5-digit number is given? These two are in 1000 spirit, so we read it as 25,000. 397. So like this we have to read. So 25. These two are in 1000 spirit, so 25,000. And these 3 are in 1 spirit, then 397. So this is 1 spirit. So this is the way to read ones period and thousands period, and these are the single digit smaller number and bigger number, smaller number and bigger number. Here one thing you have to remember, what is that? The bigger number of single digit, if we add 1 to bigger number of the single digit, then we get smaller number of double digit. In the same way, if we add 1 to bigger number of double digit, then we will get smaller number of the third digit. In the same way, bigger number of third digit, if we add 1 to that, then we will get the smaller number of 4 digit. In the same way, 5 digit smaller number and 6 digit smaller number we will get. So these are the bigger numbers: 9, 99, 999, 9999, 99,999, 9,99,999. So these. In the same way, here this is 1000 period. After 1000 period, if we consider one more digit, suppose so and so number, we consider there is 6. Then this is the 6th digit. First digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit, fifth digit, and this is the 6th digit. In the 6th digit, this is the lakhs place. This place value is lakhs. So this is ones period, this is thousands period, this is lakhs period. This. So these are our 6 place values. Then how to represent we explained, and how to read. So we explained first. This is our first place value. This is second place value. This is third place value. This is fourth place value. This is fifth place value. This is sixth place value. If any number is given like 27949, this is 5 digit number is given. Then starting 3 digits, these are ones period. After completing their ones period, means after completing 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, you keep a comma. Then these are 1000 periods that are separate. If suppose 6 digit number is given like 7, 2, 9, 4, 3, 6. So this is our 6 digit number. Then how to keep commas? Here, these 3 are our ones period. After 1, 2, first, second, third. After third digit, keep a comma. Then after 2 place values, 2 digits, 1 and 2, means this is 1000 period. After 1000 period, again we keep a comma. This is the way to represent, this is the way to keep commas. So this is the explanation about the smaller and bigger number from single digit to 6 digit numbers, and after that how to represent and what is the period of first 3 digits, and after that 2 digits, after the 6th digit, and how to read and how to keep commas. This is our explanation. Then now we are going to next explanation part. Yes students, now here 2 questions were given. So this is for our recapitulation again here. So what is there in first question? In the first question it is given that write a 2 digit number, a 3 digit number, and a 4 digit, 5 digit and 6 digit number. So which type of number we have to write? Sum of whose digits? If we add the sum of their digits, that should be equal to 1. So that type of number we have to write. We have to think and we have to write. How many? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These digit numbers we have to write, and that too condition is given. What is the condition? In the condition it is clearly mentioned that if we add the digits of those numbers, then we should get 1 as the answer. Then check here. First, 2 digit number. So in 2 digit number, if I take 10, and I'm going to add the digits 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0. It gives answer 1. It gives answer 1. In the same way, 3-digit number. 3-digit number, if I'm going to take 100, and again if I add the digits 1 plus 0 plus 0. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. The answer is 1. In the same way, 4-digit number. In the 4-digit number, I want to take 1000. In 1000, if I'm going to take the digits, means add the digits, that is 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. What is the answer? Again the answer same, that is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Answer is 1. In 5-digit number, I want to take 10,000. 10,000. If I am going to add the digits like 1 plus 4 zeros, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, the answer again the same, that is 1. 1 plus 0 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 is 1. In the last, again he asks 6 digit also. 6 digit. 6 digit number. This is once period. After completing 3 place values, we keep a comma. After completing thousands period, means 2. Again we keep a comma. Here also same. After completing ones period, that is here. And here also same. Unit tens, hundreds. After completing ones period, we keep commas. Then add it. 1, 5 zeros. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. The answer remains same, 1. In all the cases, answer is 1. So this is what he is asking. So write those numbers. So in that, sum of whose digits equal to 1. In these places, in these numbers, in 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit and 6 digit, if we are going to add the digits, then we get the same sum, that is 1. So if whenever these type of questions he'll ask, then we have to think and we have to decide. So what number should we take? So in this way you have to think and you have to do your solution. Then after that, this is our first question solution. The next question. In the next question, here the following numbers have been written in code. Here numbers are not given. Instead of numbers, he has given code. In that code, can you find the number? So we have to find the numbers hidden in the code. So write the number. So we have to write the number and also the name in Hindu Arabic system. Then the codes given here. This is cylindrical shape. This is ones. This is square shape, that is 10. This is 100 circular shape. This is arrow type, that is 1000. Arrow type is 1000, circular shape is 100, square shape is 10 and cylindrical shape is ones. Here, in the first question, he has given cylindrical shape. Cylindrical shape means 1. Cylindrical shape means ones and plus. Here, circular shape means 100. Circular shape means 100 plus. Again, here a circle is given. One more circle. Circle means 100 plus. Again, a circle is given. Circle means again 100 Circle means 100, cylinder means 1, square means 10, and arrow means 1000. And here how many circles we have? 3 circles. Means 3 hundreds. 100 plus 100. 200, 200 plus 100, 300. 300 plus 1, that is 301. 301. This is the number. This is the number. Then name. $301. This is the number name. Then next, this is the arrow. Arrow means 1000. Arrow means 1000 plus. Square means tens. Again arrow is given, that is 1000. Again square is given, square means 10. Then arrow, square, arrow and square. Arrow means 1000, square means 10, arrow means 1000, square means 10. Then here 2 arrows given, means 2 thousands. 1000 plus 1000, 2000, 10 plus 20. It means 2020. How to write 2020? Unit, tens, 100, 1000. 2000. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 2020. 20 here, there is no 100, means there is no circle. There is no circle means there is no 100. There is no 100 means in the place of 100, 0 and 20. This is the representation. This is what we have to write in number. If circle is not there means 100 is not there. If 100 is not there means in 100's place we keep 0. Then thousands there, 2000s, 2000, 2 arrows there, 2000s, and 2 tens were there. How many tens? 2. 2 squares were there, 2 tens. There is no ones, ones is 0. Then 2020. 2020. Then here arrow, again here in third question arrow is given. Arrow means 1000, then circle means 100, and again a circle means 100, again square means tens. Then here ones, tens, 100 and 1000. This is ones place value, this is tens place value, this is 100 place value, this is 1000 place value. How many thousands are there? Only 1000. Only one arrow, that is 1000. How many hundreds are there? 2 circles, means 2 hundreds in the place of 100. How many tens? How many tens means how many squares? 1 square is there, that one. How many ones? There is no cylinder, the ones 0 here. This is the representation. This is the representation. Then how to read? That is 1210. 1210. $1,210. So these 3 questions I explained in the same way. More 2 questions were there in your textbook. That is your home assignment. You do your own in your home. That is your home assignment. So follow these rules. So what rules? The symbol, the code is given. What is the code? This is cylinder is 1's code, and square is 10's code, and circle means 100, and arrow means 1000. According to that, you decide and you write the number and write the name of that number. So these 3 questions I explained and more 2 questions were there in your textbook. That is your home assignment.